What we're going to do now is we're going to show you the depth reduction kit. So as standard on all the chairs, you can have the backrest set at either an 18-inch or a 20-inch seat depth setting. If you have a client, however, where you might be needing a 16-inch or a 14-inch seat depth setting, what we have is we have the depth reduction kit. So what we would do is we'd have the backrest set on the narrower seat depth, which would be the 18-inch seat depth setting. And then what we can do here is fold the backrest pillow away. We can remove our two lower lumbar pillows, Velcro our 2-inch depth reduction kit onto the backrest. And then what we can do here is we can Velcro our pillows onto the face. And then what we've done now is we reduce the seat depth by 2 inches. If you require a 14-inch seat depth setting, then what we suggest you do is just double up the depth reduction kit. So by having two, then we can end up with a 14-inch seat depth setting.